Hi guys, it's Tiffany here to do another recap. I am talking about UPS today. It was kind of my worst and my best trade. Um, I took this as a reversal. This particular stock was on my watch list this morning, but I really didn't like the way it opened with all these huge wicks. I couldn't figure out. It was too messy for me. So I waited, and I did like it later on in the day. It opened strong through the morning, and then right here you have this indecision candle, and maybe you can call this Peter's Mountain Pass. I hate throwing that out there without it knowing that it definitely is Peter's Mountain Pass, but I liked that it put this 15-minute indecision candle up, and then it was all-time high, I believe. UPS was today, and it could not get past this 145.50 level. I'll show you. Let me pull this down. So it couldn't get past this level. It came back down and then came back up and tried to test this level again. It could not make a new high. So I was thinking this was the second top, and so I prematurely went short for me without the confirmation that I really like with these moving averages crossing. So when I went short, I noticed that these moving averages haven't crossed yet, and they were in 1 minute. We're still making new highs. So I went ahead and exited my position so that I can watch it for a better confirmation. So I exited, and then that was the bad part of this trade for me. I should not have done that, because it didn't even come up and reach my stop loss. But I did get into it without it didn't meet all the criteria for my reversal. So that's the main reason I got out. So anyhow, it came back down, and then I know these two moving averages crossed, and then this 50 moving averages came up to meet the other two. And then it also broke this level right here. So that's when I went short. And since this was an all-time high, I didn't really have many like previous daily levels marked. So I was taking partials at either moving averages or support that happened earlier in the morning. Another thing I did bad with this trade was I left a lot of money on the table. It did end up going below the VWAP, and instead I thought it was it started making new highs, and the SPY was strong at the same time. So that's why I ended up exiting my position. I normally keep at least 10% to run, and especially with these reversals. A lot of times, because of my entry, it'll come back up and like, I mean, I'm within pennies of getting stopped out, and then it'll come right back down. But for some reason, I got out of this one today too early. But that's it. That's my best and my worst trade today. I hope you all had a great Thursday, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.